Okay, it's me, Matt. I'm here in Vegas. Always in Vegas, stuck in Vegas. I'm at Caesars if you plan on coming to Caesars, but they're doing a lot of construction here. I'll show you a few pictures in a minute. Yeah, this place, I did good. I didn't plan on going in there. One, I started winning, so I kept gambling because I was winning at Video Kino. But I had to cash out because you can't breathe, right? So that's a good thing, I guess, if you're winning. I might have lost everything I won, but in the end, I cashed out and got out here where there's some air. It's kind of warm out here, but I can breathe, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, over the years, Caesars has just built up without any design, so it's just laid out in haphazard fashion. It's nice, but it's kind of hard to get lost inside there. But they're doing some major reconstruction here, especially with the entrance. They're going to have a big statue of Augustus Caesar, which I thought was going to be done by now. I was wrong. It's not going to be done until January. But anyway, I want to take some pictures because I'm not sure what this place is going to look like, at least on the outside after January. I'm not going back inside there. I'll get lost. I'll suffocate. I'll have to call the paramedics. It'll be embarrassing. So anyway, that's it. I'll just show you some pictures now, some video. And yeah, if you've ever been to Caesars, I've had good experiences at this place. The limits are kind of high, but when I come here, I do well, usually. And yeah, I've got stories over the years. If you've got a story about Caesars, let me know. Tell me the story in the comment section, because I love hearing Vegas stories, I really do. But Caesars Palace has been around a long time. Most people got a story. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'll show you some more pictures and some video without me talking, okay? Talking about Buddhism, right?
Probably.
It's been here a while. Where they got that?